A day in my life as a newbie this 2025. So, naganda-gandahan muna tayo. And of course, I didn't expect that my friends gave us 50 pesos. This is really helpful. And then after that, pumunta kaming sa Luisoy for lunch but hindi ako nag-take ng video. And oh my god, this is so embarrassing. We dance and dance in that way. And then nagpapaganda pa ako. Akala mo kasarap-sarap.
Miss! Ay, naman! Suspect lang, malaki yung umutot. Bakit hindi na sa'yo? Oo. Suspect, lagi ka lang. Lagi ka. Suspect na handsy. Oo, suspect, akala mo high blood lagi. Suspect, lagi si wala kang pake. Ayun na lang yun. Ikaw. Suspect. Wala, suspect lang. Suspect. Laging si Coke. Laging puyat. Laging gising sa madaling araw. Suspect. Oo, daming ano.